Welcome to the al-dirassa YouTube channel, dedicated to teaching the Arabic language, the Holy Quran, and Islamic studies.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic in the Arabic language, short diacritics or harakat. These symbols help us pronounce words correctly and distinguish between different meanings. Let's start in al-Fatha, A. The Fatha is placed above a letter and indicates that the letter is pronounced with an AA sound, like in the words qalam, column, pen, or kitab, kitab, book. The mouth opens slightly when pronouncing this sound. Damma, U. The Damma is also placed above the letter, but it indicates an U sound, like in the words kursi, kursi, chair, or mu'allim, mu'allim, teacher. You'll notice your lips rounding a bit when you say it. Al-Kasra, E. The Kasra is placed below the letter and gives it an I sound, like in the words kitab, kitab, book, or sibha, siba, rosary. It's a soft sound, like you're smiling when pronouncing it. A sukun, mam. The sukun means the letter is pronounced without any vowel sound, like in the word skun, sukun, silence, or madrasata, madrasa, school. It creates a short, sharp sound.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, visit our website www.aldirassa.com to learn more about the Arabic language and Islamic studies.